Just a little warning, if you don't like puns, don't watch this video because we're about to get a little bit corny. With spring around the corner, we have to start getting seeds in the ground. So I think it's time to start this video. So let us begin. So I want to do this fast because I got a lot of seeds, so I'm going to pepper you with a few. We got jalapeno pepper, cayenne pepper, yellow bell pepper, habanero pepper, Tabasco pepper, poblano pepper, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, purple bell pepper, sweet banana pepper, serrano pepper, Anaheim chili pepper, and ghost pepper. Oh wait, there it is. I know that some of you really don't like puns and you probably want to squash me right about now, but I don't care at all. Come on guys, you guys knew that one was coming, but I beat you to it. I ordered most of my seeds from a guy named M.I. Gardner on YouTube. He has his own seed shop, and I ordered a lot of them, and it's, to my surprise, they all came in mint condition. Now it's time for a little joke. What did the big mama watermelon say to the little baby watermelon? It says, when it's time to get married, you can't elope. Do you know what a chicken's favorite vegetable is? Bok choy. So a lot of you are saying, it's just vegetables you guys are doing. You should beautify the place. And I think you're right. So let me, cauliflower. Hey, you want to be in the garden too? Okay, that's fine. I called a flower. I know a lot of you guys are kind of sick of the puns now, but you can chive on. But in all seriousness, I got a ton of different seeds, from celery to tomatillos to cilantro to, what is this, spinach, to pumpkins, to big pumpkins. These are, look at this, these are tomatoes. These are special tomatoes. They're San Marzano tomatoes, and they are meant mostly for ketchup and tomato sauce, things that you're going to squish down because there's a lot of paste that comes out of them. And these are good for me because I don't really like tomatoes, but I like spaghetti sauce. And back in California, I actually had a lot of luck growing tomatoes. So you can say I've been there and done that. There's a couple more. Come on now. Let's see what else we got. We got kale. We got cucumbers. We got spinach. We got Brussels sprouts. We got more Swiss chard. We got peanuts. I want to make my own peanut butter and jelly. We got strawberries, oregano, cabbage, both purple and green, onions, tons of onions. All in all, I got a ton of seeds, mostly to see what grows here the best, to kind of experiment. So next year we can expand what we're already doing on the farm and be able to start selling fruits and vegetables. See, I like these seeds because they're heirloom seeds. They're not sprayed with any kind of pesticide. They're not GMO. So I can control what I eat. I don't want to be eating any of that junk. This next week, we're going to start planting. So if you want to follow along and see what the garden turns into, hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you can see when we upload new videos. And then if you like the video, please hit that like button and we'll see you next time. Do you know what a chicken's favorite vegetable is? Bok choy. That was fun.